Hi, today our topic is the trick to remember anode cathode reactions. Okay, and trick to write electrochemical cell reactions and electrode potential, standard electrode potential based on that one trick. Okay, so later we have to solve some of the problems. See here, first trick to remember anode cathode reactions. Okay, so here once again I am repeating last topic. This is oxidation reduction trick box and A square C square, it is one of the trick box. Already I explained it in previous video. Now see this anode anion oxidation, it is another trick word. Here at anode which ions are present, anions are present, oxidation reaction is occurs. Due to that reason here these three starting letters AAO, so A square O. Okay, next cathode cation reduction. Okay, at cathode cations are present, which reaction is occurs, reduction reaction is occurs. Okay, so this is another trick, C square R, just you remember like this, so you may easily learn total topic by the base of these tricks. Another code word, see here, A square O LSRP, C square R HSRP. See here, simply A square O LS, C square R, C square R HS. So here A square O nothing but anode anion oxidation, especially at anode. Okay, so anion is present, their oxidation reaction is occurs, but when directly question is there, that time some of the students may have doubt which is anode, which is cathode. Due to that reason here I create this trick box. Okay, electrode potential, the ability of single electrode. Okay, so either it may be loss of electron or gain of electron, the single electrode containing potential value. Okay, that is nothing but EP. Okay, so here standard electrode potential, the electrode potential to given electrode at 298 Kelvin temperature and 1 mole concentration, that is nothing but standard electrode potential. Okay, so that is why it is called SEP. Okay, so what is the difference between EP and SEP means, here EP purpose, here we are not considering any type of perfect temperature or concentration, but when we consider standard electrode potential, that time we have to measure perfect temperature at the same time concentration, that is nothing but standard electrode potential, right? So here this standard electrode potential SEP again divided into two types, one is SRP, another one is SOP. Here standard reduction potential and another one is a standard oxidation potential, right? If reduction is occurs, that is SRP, if oxidation is occurs, that is SOP. Based on this SRP we may find out easily is this anode or is this cathode. How means, which electrode SRP is low, that is anode. Okay, so which electrode SRP is high, that is cathode. This is very important trick to solve problems. Okay, next relationship between SRP and SOP. Okay, so SRP nothing but standard reduction potential value, SOP nothing but standard oxidation potential value. Both are completely opposite, right? So that is why for given electrode, if SRP is given, that completely minus SOP. Okay, so SRP equals to minus SOP, SOP equals to minus SRP. Okay, so you have to remember like this. Okay, next, if SRP is low, that is anode, if SRP is high, that is cathode. Okay, EMF, electromotive force. Okay, so here I will give three types of definitions, which is easy, you may learn that one only. Potential difference in between two electrodes. Okay, so see here, these are the two electrodes. Okay, so these two electrodes, as especially each and every electrode have some of the potential value. Okay, so that is electrode potential. In between these two electrodes, potential difference is there, that is nothing but EMF. The difference in electrode potential of two electrodes which causes flow of electricity from electrode of higher potential to electrode of lower potential is called electromotive force. ఓకేనా, ఆ రెండు ఎలక్ట్రోడ్స్ మధ్యలో ఉన్న పొటెన్షియల్ భేదాల వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంట, ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఫ్లో జరుగుతుందంట. హయ్యర్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ సైడ్ నుంచి లోయర్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఉన్న ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ సైడ్ వైపుకు ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఫ్లో జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా, సో దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే ఎలక్ట్రోమోటివ్ ఫోర్స్ అని ఇంకొక డెఫినేషన్ ఇచ్చారు. దర్ ఈజ్ డెఫినేషన్: ద పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెన్స్ విచ్ అలోస్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ టు అనదర్ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ is called EMF. Okay, so next, EMF is calculated from single electrode potential as follows. So say this: EMF equals to E cathode minus E anode. So this is our formula, or EMF equals to E left minus E right. Okay, so this is the formula. Based on this we have to calculate problems. See here. Okay, this is the problem number 1. Define EMF of SL. The standard reduction potentials of magnesium and cadmium electrodes are minus 2.37 volts and minus 0.40 volts respectively. Calculate EMF of the cell. Okay, magnesium is converted to magnesium 2 plus 1 mole concentration. Salt bridge, cadmium 2 plus 1 mole concentration by cadmium, right? This is our problem number 1, right? Magnesium purpose, how much the value? Minus 2.37 volts. Okay, so next cadmium purpose, how much the value? Minus 0.40 volts. Already it is one of the trick. Already ABC trick also you know. This is anode, bridge, cathode. If without this reaction also we have to find out which is anode and which is cathode. That time you have to remember where the value is low, that is anode. Okay, so where the value is more, that is cathode. Which value? Standard reduction potential value. Now you have to substitute these values in this EMF. See here, E cathode value is how much here? Minus 0.4. Minus of E anode how much? Minus, already here is there, and again minus 2.37 volts. Now how much? You see here, first you eliminate this minus symbols. Minus 0.4 minus into minus plus. Okay, 2.37 volts. Okay, now how much the value? From 2.37 minus 0.40, how much? 1.97, right? So this 1.97 volts. Okay, so EMF equals to 1.97 volts, are directly in my right, 1.9 volts. This is the problem number 1. Okay, next, second problem. Series: define EMF, the standard reduction potential value of calcium and lead electrodes of a cell are minus 2.9 volts and minus 0.12 volts respectively. Calculate the EMF of the cell calcium by calcium 2 plus salt bridge and lead 2 plus by lead. Okay, so here it is anode, it is bridge, cathode. Already you have an idea, ABC trick, right? Anode, bridge, cathode. So directly you have to write like this: EA equals to minus 2.9 volts, EC equals minus 0.12 volts. Here what is that? Minus 2.9 volts. Anode value minus 0.12 volts. Okay, it is cathode value. Now substitute these values. Okay, so cathode value minus 0.12 minus of minus 2.9. Okay, big number 2.9 minus 0.12, then how much? 2.78 volts. Okay, so this is the EMF value, right? So next, problem number 3, the reduction potentials of Zn by Zn2 plus and copper 2 plus by copper are minus 0.76 volts and 0.34 volts respectively. Find the EMF of a cell. Now you observe this problem carefully. Here just given electrodes, but we have to find out which is anode and which is cathode. Okay, just here he gave a reduction potential values. Okay, so now only I explained which is the low value, that is anode, which is the high value, that is cathode, right? Here one is minus 0.76 volts, another one is plus 0.34. okay, so minus is less compared to the plus, that is why. So here Zn by Zn2 plus is our anode. Okay, so minus 0.76 volts. Next, copper is 0.34 volts. We have to find out. Okay, sorry, we have to find out like this. Okay, now substitute in formula. EMF equals to E cathode minus E anode. EMF of cell equals to E cathode minus E anode. Okay, so E anode minus 0.76 minus 0.34 volts, right? Okay, so now this minus into minus plus, nothing but 0.76 plus 0.34. now 4 plus 6 10, here 1. Okay, 1, next it will convert like 1. Okay, 1.10 volts. Okay, nothing but here 1.1 volts. This is the EMF of the cell. Okay, so this is our problem number 3. Okay, we have to calculate the problems like this. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel Maheshwari Chemistry Classes. Please share with your friends and support my channel. Thank you very much for your patience.